Thanks for checking us out, and welcome to a new work and school week. I'm 7th First Alert Meteorologist Chris Edwards, and it is chilly, but it's going to be a bright start to the day. And even later in the day, the clouds will just kind of stream in steadily, but not all that quickly. The rain, however, is likely by late tonight and especially early Tuesday, so it's going to be a wet one tomorrow, but mild as temperatures soar, and then they come crashing down once again. So buckle up your seatbelts. We are going to have a wild temperature swing over the next few days. We start this morning cold, but again bright once the sun comes up. A warm front off to the south of us will start to trigger some cloud cover later in the day. It gets cloudy during the evening. I've stopped the Futurecast here at midnight. I think even at midnight it's probably still dry. But after that, the moisture starts to move in, and we could have some rain. I really think it's just going to be rain around here. Way up toward the thumb, there could be a little brief period of some freezing rain, but not going to worry about that around here. Tomorrow morning's rush hour, though, likely to be wet, so that's something to put in the back of your mind, that tomorrow is going to be very different. The heaviest rain in the morning, but there'll still be some showers in the afternoon. Then a cold front comes through late in the day. Temperatures soar into the low 50s tomorrow. And then they come crashing down, as I mentioned. High temperatures on Wednesday with a gusty wind, only in the 30s. And we don't even get out of the 20s come Thursday, but we'll get there. Let's take it one day at a time. Starting with this Monday, we get to 40 with the sunshine and the chilly temps to start. It does turn cloudy by late in the day. Not much wind at all today, or even tonight, but there will be some fog developing overnight as the chances for rain increase. Temperatures bottom out in the mid-30s. We should stay above freezing. I think road surfaces will just be wet. And then wet indeed is what they'll be on Tuesday. High up to 52 or so. A little warmer south of Detroit, a little cooler to the north. But it's going to turn breezy everywhere later on in the day as that front comes through. And what a difference it makes. Gusty wind, a lot of clouds, and only 36 Wednesday, but it's dry. Matter of fact, we don't see any significant snow anytime in the next 7 days. Oh, there could be a snow shower developing again later Friday as some warmer air starts to come back into the picture. 34 Friday. And then the weekend, from this vantage point anyway, looks mild with the best chance of showers on Sunday. But those are rain showers as we head into the weekend. Whatever you have planned, I hope you keep coming back to us at WXYZ.com. We'll keep you informed. Have a great work week.